All right, so we got towels. We went to Walmart. Got scuba diving masks. I'm talking like.
I don't know.
So we just landed. Whoa, almost fell off. And we are shipwreck hunting. Except it's a lot easier to find it from the air. When you're out here floating around, it's not that easy. So we did not bring an anchor. We forgot that part. So here we are. So we have resorted to Google Maps to try to find the ship. We've been floating right by it. Just about right above it. There's something right in front of us. Holy shit. We're anchored on top of a shipwreck. Pretty badass. Pretty successful snorkeling experience. I've never snorkeled before. I choked on a lot of water. I'm pretty sure these Walmart US diver things are junk. But we did it. You can still barely see the wreck below us. It's maybe about 120 feet long and just outside of Little Current, Manitoulin.
Untie it and pull it out. Didn't you say you had a third towel in there somewhere too?